So I have a new Bollywood trailer for all of you. It's from the movie Emergency. It stars Kangana Ranaut, who is now a BJP puppet. Now the movie is based on real life incident that happened in India during the Indian emergency when Indira Gandhi she declared emergency and took over all the power. She put a lot of people, a lot of political opponents in jail. Her son conducted lots of mass vasectomies to reduce population, lots of things like that. So this is from a dark period in India's, let's say, India's life. Let's watch the trailer. Like I said, it's being directed by Kangana Ranaut. This is most likely a BJP propaganda movie because they've been making these for a while. I know they made another movie with the Prime Minister. I think Vivek Oberoi played the Prime Minister. Again, another propaganda movie for BJP. So this is no different. Let's watch it because this is from Kangana Ranaut, and I like her as an actor. I don't like her as a politician. As an actor, she's a good one. So let's watch the trailer. See if it's any good. I will be unbiased. I know I don't like BJP, but then as a movie, I'll watch it as a movie, not as a propaganda tool for BJP. If it's good, it's good. Let's watch the trailer. You and me together. 3, 2, 1, go.
सत्ता सत्ता यानी ताकत।
सरकार वो चुनिए जो आपके लिए कड़े निर्णय ले सके, जिसमें दम हो।
जिसके हाथ में सत्ता होती है वो कहलाता है शासक। इंदिरा गांधी ने असम जाकर उसे भी कश्मीर बनने से बचा लिया।
पहले तो तुम मुझसे सीखा करती थी, मगर अब सिखाना चाहती हो।
कभी किसी की जीत बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता।
गूंगी गुड़िया ने तो अपने बाप को नीचे गिराकर उसकी कुर्सी हड़प ली।
राजनीति में कोई किसी का सगा नहीं होता।
बॉर्डर पे क्या सिचुएशन है? हमें वापस फाइट करना चाहिए।
वाजपेयी जी, मैं एक राजनेता से मोल भाव करने आई थी, मगर सामने सिर्फ एक सच्चा देशभक्त दिखा।
इंदिरा जी, देश हमारा भी है।
Sam, are you with me in this?
I am with India, Prime Minister.
You have effectively declared war on Pakistan. You should have rethought this decision.
You have weaponry, we have courage. That's all it takes.
गूंगी गुड़िया बोलने लगी है।
ये शिमला एग्रीमेंट तो भारत की बहुत बड़ी हार है।
यही होता है जब कोई व्यक्ति देश सेवा के लिए नहीं, सत्ता के लिए लड़ता है।
हम सबकी नजर आपकी कुर्सी पर है कि कब आप कुर्सी से गिरे और ये लपक ले।
संपूर्ण व्यवस्था बदलने का एक ही रास्ता है, संपूर्ण क्रांति।
क्या बैड न्यूज है? जेपी, शिमला एग्रीमेंट, रेलवे स्ट्राइक, which one?
संजय,
अपनी कुर्सी की रक्षा करना तुम लोगों का कर्तव्य है। एक बार छोड़ दी
संजय गांधी
तो कहीं
ये देश एक खुली जेल बन जाएगा। पूरी कैबिनेट की सहमति आवश्यक होती है इंदिरा जी।
मैं ही कैबिनेट हूँ।
आज सब कोर्ट्स बंद, अखबार, ऑफिसेज, प्रिंटिंग प्रेसेस, सबकी बिजली काट दो।
किसने सोचा था कि लोकतंत्र का ऐसे गला घुटेगा? हर आवाज जो उसके खिलाफ उठेगी कुचल दी जाएगी। आपातकाल भारत के लोकतंत्र पे काला धब्बा है।
सारे देश में तुम्हारे खिलाफ नफरत का माहौल पैदा होता जा रहा है।
नफरत, 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 और मिला क्या है मुझे इस देश से?
तुम जानते हो कि हमारी पार्टी को क्या चाहिए?
साडी पार्टी ਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਖਾਲਿਸਤਾਨ।
India is Indira, and Indira is India.
Wow. So, like I said, I don't like Kangana Ranaut as a politician. She's done lots of bad things. When the farmers' protest was happening, she said, the farmers were getting paid, and she antagonized lots of farmers. And she's been doing this for BJP for a long while. So, again, this is another propaganda movie for sure against Congress and Indira Gandhi. Now, this is based on a real life incident. This did happen. I hate her as a politician, but then as an actor, she's really good. She's well done. The movie Manikarnika, which is another movie she produced, I think she directed as well, was a good movie. It wasn't terrible. This seems like a good drama, like an action drama. The colonel or somebody from the military called Sam Bahadur. I saw a movie about him from Vicky Kaushal. That movie was kind of boring, but this seems really good movie. Like I said, Manikarnika was Kangana Ranaut has directed other movies. She wasn't credited for it, but then it seems like this was a well-cut trailer. Like they didn't show the entire story, but then they showed the grandeur aspects of the movie. Lots of people, lots of CGI. I think most likely CG. The screenplay for this movie is being written by Ritesh Singh. Ritesh Singh has written other movies in the past. Sardar Uttam, Jungli, Raid, which was Ajay Devgan movie, I think. Kahani 2, Commando, Pink, which was a good movie. So I think he also directed Pink. No, he wrote the dialogues for Pink. Seems like a good guy, seems like a good talented individual, most likely. Lots of good actors in this movie. Anupam Kher is in it, Milind Soman is in it, again Kangana Ranaut is in it. The movie is being produced by Manikarnika Films, which is again Kangana Ranaut. She's doing everything. She's directing, she's producing. Like I said, I like her as an actor, not as a politician. Seems like a great movie, seems like a good movie. Do let me know if you like the trailer. Do you think this is another propaganda movie for BJP? Do let me know in the comments. Also, like I said, this is based on the life of Indira Gandhi and the time between 1975 to 1977, when Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister at the time, declared state of emergency. She took over power. Basically, she took over power. It was like martial rule, but she had all the control. She put lots of political opponents in prison. Her son, Sanjay, he did lots of terrible things, including vasectomies for men to reduce the population. There was a lot of poverty, lots of unemployment at the time in India, lots of unrest in the country. So it seems like it's based on, like I said, true story. If you did like the trailer, do let me know in the comments. Also, what do you think about this movie? Is this another tool for BJP to attack opponents, to attack Congress? Do let me know in the comments. We'll watch. If you want me to watch another trailer or teaser, do let me know. We'll watch them together, you and me. Bye bye.